All new and off the top, they share the same name and the same profession, but tonight a Brownsville surgeon says he is losing a lot of patients and getting a lot of angry calls.
Yeah, and he says it's a case of mistaken identity based on a federal investigation. Channel 5's Trace and Bragg joins us now with the stories of two Dr. Quesadas.
Christine, Oscar, the Dr. Quesada of Brownsville says his business thrives on positive referrals. He says a case of mistaken identity could doom his business. Busy days are nothing new for this orthopedic surgeon.
A regular day of my clinic day is about 35 to 40 patients that I see, probably 12 to 18 new patients from referrals.
However, today everything changed.
In one day, my population of patients cut by at least 60 to 70%.
The doctor tells us the phones in his office were ringing off the hook, just not for the usual reason.
My new patients did not show up. It went so far as several patients called to cancel, said they wouldn't see me, and they canceled surgery that I've already seen them. I've already scheduled them for surgery, and they called and said they didn't want surgery today.
The doctor thinks he may know why.
The name Quesada is just understood as Dr. Quesada, and I got put into that realm of that people assumed or thought that I was the same man, and I'm not.
This is Dr. Quesada with an S. The other Dr. Quesada he's referring to spells his last name with a Z, and tonight that man is in FBI custody. He is accused of misdiagnosing patients in a $240 million Medicare fraud scheme. Adding to the confusion, both doctors treat patients suffering from similar problems.
He treats medically these arthritic patients, and I treat them surgically. We do overlap a little bit in terms of how and the patients that we will see.
Quesada says he's never even met the other Valley doctor that shares his name. He says he has one message for the people of the Valley.
I just want them to know that my name is with an S. It is not a Z, and that I do my best to do everything I can for patients.
Quesada says he hopes the confusion doesn't continue to affect his practice. We will continue to speak to Quesada with an S to learn if this case of mistaken identity gets resolved. In the studio, Trace and Bragg, Channel 5 News at 10.